to use your platform science in your semi-truck. Not only is it important to know how to use your platform science, it is definitely important how you manage your time on your clock. You have 4 clocks to go by. You have a 30-minute DOT clock, you have an 11-hour DOT clock, you have a 14-hour DOT clock, and you have a 70-hour DOT clock. Okay, first things first. This right here is your platform science, your ELD, your electronic logging device. In order to find your hours of service, you need to hit the HOS button, which is hours of service. You'll hit that. You can click up here where it says 11-hour DOT. If the camera can focus. As you see, I have 3 hours, 26 minutes left to do anything today. I just shut down because I'm super close to my destination. Okay, so over here on the right, this is your 30-minute clock. That is your 11-hour clock. That is your 14-hour clock. That is your 70-hour clock. Over here on the left will be the time that you get back after every 8th day. Well, your 8th day. So after your 8th day, you'll start getting these times back. So the main clocks that you want to worry about will be your 11-hour clock, your 10-minute, well, technically all of your clocks you need to be worried about, okay? For your 8-hour clock, your 30-minute, you get 8 hours a day. And then you have to, before your 8 hours run out, you have to take a 30-minute break. For your 11-hour clock, you have 11 hours to drive for that current day. So once your 30-minute clock starts dropping, I usually drive until I have about 4 hours and 30 minutes left on my 30-minute. I'll take my 30-minute break and I'll get the remaining time back from my 11 off of my 30-minute clock. Your 14-hour clock is what you are allowed to work for that day. So you have 14 hours a day to be on clock. Your 70-hour clock. In 1 week, 7 days, you have 70 hours for your clock. Once your 70-hour ticks down and your 8th day begins, that is when you'll start getting these, which are called recaps. Once you start getting your recaps, they roll around every other day and it will show right here. So you get hours gained back. So in 2 days, I will get 9 hours and 19. Tomorrow, I get none. Your DOT clock is something that you want to stay on top of every single day that you start your clock. Once you start your clock, your 14, your 70, and your 30-minute clock will start ticking. The only clock that doesn't click when you start your pre-trip is your 11-hour. Thank you to all of you that have subscribed to my channel, that has came along with the journey of my YouTube channel, helping it grow. I greatly appreciate it from the bottom of my heart, and I'm gonna keep providing y'all with videos, content, information as much as I can to keep y'all informed on what's going on. I am a Stevens Transport contractor, so if you have anything that you would like to know about the company, drop it down in the comments below. I will see